For centuries, humans have been drawn to listening for sounds in some form or another. Whether it's the rustling of leaves in the trees, nature is prepared to reveal its secrets to those who are willing to clear their minds and open their ears beyond the humdrum of everyday life. Some may even go the extra mile and look for birds and insects. I will attempt to both study the complex relationship between human and wildlife and unravel the mystery behind Birdsong, the call of the natural world. The peregrine falcon, one of the largest birds of prey, is also one of the fastest flyers in the world, carrying an incredible velocity of speed in their wings that allows them to fly up to 200 miles per hour. Its song consists of a series of repeated cries. These cries are said to be the vocalizations between one peregrine falcon to another, consisting of the words "eat chup" or "eat up" if interpreted by human ears. The starling, sometimes known as the common starling in certain parts of the world, is known to be one of the most distinctively vocal species of bird. It is also recognized by the color of its plumage, which consists of a shiny black coat of feathers that can sometimes be accompanied by a series of white speckles. While these features can be truly majestical to behold, they are not permanent. The starling's song consists of a combination of its own cries, which consists of a musical type whistle, as well as those it has picked up from others. The male bird is said to be the most vocal and passionate of its species, vocalizing without any form of interruption until it attracts a mate. The wren is known to be one of the smallest birds to exist in the world. The behavior of the wren often varies from gene to gene. Some can be quite secretive, while others are not afraid to make their presence known. The song of the wren is known to be particularly loud and exuberant. This often belies its small stature, and yet it also allows their personalities to come forward in ways that would otherwise not be possible. The robin is an elusive yet instantly recognizable diminutive bird. The robin shares its name with birds bearing colors nearly identical to its own, such as the American and Australasian robins. These three variants all share the same thing in common. They are diurnal birds, meaning that they can only be spotted during the day. Its song consists of a series of musical warbles, which can often vary in speed and pitch, but otherwise maintains a clear and consistent flow. It can also be used as a warning signal to ward off rival birds. Nevertheless, it is one of the most spectacular sounds that has ever been heard. In conclusion, it is an unquestionable fact that the relationship between humans and birds is a strange and complex one indeed, because the deforestation and destruction we have caused to their natural habitats threatens to drive them to mass extinction. There are still those of us who seek to protect and preserve them for future generations. This is the main purpose of wildlife watching. A world without birdsong would be one that is empty and devoid of hope. It is therefore up to us to make the choices that will shape the course of the future.